Goeiemorgen, good morning, Dumela, dobro jutro, salamat. Today I'm going to show you how to make an olive pate. What is it good for? Well, it works as a dip with your favorite chips, except I'm not dipping. Oh yes. A dip with some vegetables. Or you can spread it on your own homemade flaxseed crackers for a 100% carb-free snack. And I do have a recipe on my channel for making the flaxseed crackers. The advantages of the olive pate is that it is completely carb-free, which means it is also gluten-free, as well as egg-free, dairy-free. Yeah, I can't think of many allergens that it contains. And for most of the other ingredients, you can change them according to your liking. So what are those ingredients that you need? Well, for starters, mainly, of course, you need olives. So I am using 1 packet of olives so that they are none left over. I don't like open packets standing around. This packet has a drained mass of around 100 grams, which is very close to being 1 cup full. Now, these are not pitted yet, so of course that means I still need to pit them. Of course, you can buy pitted ones. Next ingredient is garlic. I'm not a great fan of strong garlic taste, so I'm only using 1 clove of garlic. This turns out to be about 2 tablespoons of parsley. There's not much parsley left on my plants, they're still very young, so yeah. 2 tablespoons of capers, olive oil, whichever brand you prefer, and since nothing here will be cooked, this is a good place to use extra virgin cold extracted olive oil, since none of the goodness of the cold extraction will go to waste. And lemon juice. Now, the lemon tree is on strike at the moment, so I'm resorting to bottled lemon juice. For kitchen tools, if you need to pit your olives, you can do it with a knife, or you can use an olive pitter, which actually makes it so much easier. A tablespoon, and then most importantly, some sort of kitchen equipment with a spinning blade. Whether you have a stick blender or a full-on big food processor or some kind of smaller food processor like equipment, anything with spinning blades will make your life easier. So how do we make this? Well, for starters, since I am not using pitted olives, I still need to pit them. I've already done all of those, and this will be the last one. Make sure the pits do not go in here because it will ruin the blades. Next up, add all the ingredients in your processor, however that may be. So 100 grams, 1 packet of pitted olives, 1 clove of garlic. Now, if you like garlic, you're welcome to use more. As I said, I don't like a very strong garlic taste. 2 tablespoons of capers. If you don't like capers, or you should watch out for the saltiness, then you may have less. I do like capers, and so 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1, 2, and lastly 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which makes this a very, very easy to remember recipe, because everything is 2 tablespoons, except for the garlic, which I guess many people would like to have 2 cloves. For me, it's 1 packet of olives, 1 clove of garlic, and then 2 tablespoons of everything else. And then you need to blitz it up, which is going to make a noise. I'll go on making a noise and be back when it's done. Make sure to scrape down the sides so that you don't have big chunks in some places, and you see, like that whole big chunk of garlic over there. And back to processing. See you after the noise is gone. After a few more scrapings and processing, there it is. Ready to serve. Quick and easy. And then when you've packed everything away, you can sit back, relax, and have a guilt-free snack. Maybe it's because of the bottled lemon juice, but this one is quite tart. So I'm used to the lemons from the tree. Maybe a little bit less lemon juice for this one. But then again, I also like the tartness. Tart and salty. Very good. This is very adjustable. Try it once and then see if you need to change everything for your own personal taste. For me, I like it like it is now. Until next time, have fun crafting, even in the kitchen.